What's going on, guys? ShayX Beauty here. So everybody knows that the Birdbox is like a really big trend going on right now, so I'm going to be doing my boyfriend's makeup blindfolded. Here we go. You're probably not gonna. See, this is gonna be the tricky part, cause like that could go in your eyeball.
Don't put it in my eyeball, please.
I'm gonna try not to. I can't see what I'm
Stop. That's bitter.
Shade, I need this one. I'm gonna do a yellow pink look. James Okay, so I need yellow and pink. So this should be a light green. So this is yellow right here.
Dude, how do you remember all this?
Because I love the yellow shade.
She loves the yellow shade.
Okay, and then I need the hot pink, which is this corner one. I gotta find a brush, damn it. Oh, half my brushes are dirty. Fuck, this could be like dark purple on here for all I know. Stop. You switched it. I just fell down my arm. Yeah, that's right. Put it back, bitch. you how I think the look is going to look.
Okay.
So, obviously you have your foundation, you're gonna have probably a heavy contour because I couldn't see what I was doing. And then you're gonna have like, oh, your brows are probably gonna be very dark because it's made for my color and I have dark brows, as you can see. Okay, and then you're gonna have yellow like going up to the brown bone, and then you should have like a light pink kind of below, just below the yellow, and then a hot pink on the lid, and then highlight, you know, in your normal places, and then a nude lip. Okay.
Okay. Take it off.
Hi. I'm literally crying. What happened?
I don't think anything. I like it. I like it. I'm going out tonight. I'm going clubbing.
You made out with it.
Let me kiss. Let me kiss.
Oh like the contour and stuff isn't terrible. I thought it was gonna be way darker.
I feel like a vampire. I feel like I should be from Twilight.
That's not a nude lip.
It's pretty close.
Okay. Literally, this is the color I was looking for. So that's it. That's the blindfolded Birdbox challenge. I promise I do makeup better, or hopefully better than that.
And check the link in the description. And
Yeah, I will. I'll link his YouTube channel down below. You can go check him out. He does a lot of weird
First
stuff.
of all, we're doing another video.
Oh.
Check the link in the description. We're gonna do a what's in the box blindfold challenge.
On
What's
his YouTube channel.
What's in the bird box on my YouTube channel. So yeah.
His YouTube channel will be linked down below. Go check that out. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe.
Don't subscribe to me, subscribe to her. I don't know what you were talking about. Were you talking about me?
I was talking about me.
Oh, okay. Dang. Subscribe to me, please.
Don't zoom into me. Don't be stupid.